Hey guys, today we'll learn how to avoid the death of blue screen or blue screen death in Windows environments. So let's get started. First we have to use the command. So let me copy it for you and get to the command prompt as an administrator and type the command. So here this window opens. You just have to check whether there is some problem or not. So it will take some time. As this process running, we have to get to our next step to run our second command, and here it is. So to check whether we have any issues with our image, here we apply this fix, and now we have to apply this fc command too. This is the command we have applied on second number. I'll share all in the description window. And the third command is sfc scannow. Now there are some other things also that you have to check your graphics card, reinstall it. Like, let me get to the graphics card, reinstall it. So this is our monitors, and here we can see we have this, so we can update or uninstall it. So with this we can check whether it solves our problem or not. Also we have to get to restore our, as I haven't created any restore points, so it's showing it's now showing me that on this event is that the system recorded this changes and we can restore to this point. Now we can also check the Windows update. So here we have these updates which needs to be installed after restarting. Also the last thing is to disable the fast switch. So for this we get to the power option. This is our power option window, and if we get to this, so here we can see this turn on fast startup recommended. So we can change it, so this will also avoid the screen blue which gives the problem. So I hope you have learned how to know the different ways of avoiding blue screen update. Thank you for watching.